Hi students, it's Miss D. Are you feeling totally bombarded by way too many email notifications of Google Classroom posts? I was too, and Miss Dayton reminded me that there's a super quick fix so that you can change your preferences to only receive emails on those particular classes or types of posts that you feel are most important. You can also turn your email notifications off completely. So if you're not already in Google Classroom, go to Google, click the waffle, and select Google Classroom. Once you get there, click the 3 horizontal lines in the top left, scroll all the way down to Settings. When you see your notifications, you may see that all of your email notifications are on. This might make checking your email really hard or totally overwhelming. So you can turn those off by clicking that button. Or what I actually prefer is to go through and individually select the types of email notifications that you would like to receive. You can also do this for specific classes. Once you've decided on the notifications that you are interested in, you can close out and have a better experience when checking your email. Hope this was helpful. Bye.